welcome to Jessie Tries It. Today I'm going to be trying a recipe for Southern Hamburger Casserole that I saw on YouTube. I'm going to link that channel down below when we're finished here. Let's get started. Our potatoes boiling in the pot for about 5 or 6 minutes till they're a little bit tender, but you don't want them to get mushy. And now we're going to start with the ground beef, and then we're going to add some onion to it. Okay, so now that our meat is almost done cooking, we're going to add in the onion, and this is a whole onion. You're going to want to add in some salt, garlic powder for seasoning, also add some pepper if you like. Add some flour to thicken this all up for good measure. I'm going to add in a cup of milk. Okay, last thing I'm going to add is this 10.5 ounce can of Korean mushroom soup. You can add beans to this, but I didn't have any on hand, so it should be just as good without it. Now I'm going to drain the potatoes. Whoops, looks like they cooked a little bit too long. But still, in my opinion, overcooked potatoes are better than undercooked. Got my 9x13 pan out, and the first layer I'm going to do is potatoes. Okay, now to that layer, I'm going to go ahead and add my beef mixture. This layer, I'm going to add the mild cheddar cheese. To this, you just go ahead and repeat the layers. Now let's set our oven to 375 degrees. Now we got this in the oven, and we're going to set the timer to 30 minutes. Okay guys, this is how it looks after 30 minutes in the oven. It smells so good, and it definitely looks done. Okay, we're just going to cut out a nice and generous portion here. That looks really good. Definitely looks like a cheeseburger. Okay, now we're going to do our taste test. That is really good. I could use a little bit more salt, but that's definitely what I was looking for.